we are going to study logic gates. Contains definition, symbol, truth table and logic expressions. First we'll study what is meant by logic gates. Logic gates are circuit with one or more inputs with only one output. Logic gates are basic building blocks of digital electronic circuits. The basic logic gates are AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. The derived logic gates are NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. These gates are combined to form a particular set of operations. The relationship between the inputs to the logic gate and the outputs can be tabulated in the form known as truth table. The truth table specifies the relationship between the input and outputs. AND gate. AND gate also has two or more input signals and the output is single. The gate has high output only when all the input signals are high, otherwise the output signal is low. We can express the relationship between input and outputs of AND gate in the form of Boolean equations or logic equations and truth table as follows. Symbol. This is the symbol of AND gate. A and B are inputs and output. Truth table. Here input A and input B and output Q. 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the logic expression or Boolean expression. Here output is equal to A star B. Here 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. OR gate. OR gate is one whose output is high when any one of these input is high. Symbol. A and B input and output is Q. Truth table. A, B and Q. Logic expression is A plus B is equal to Q. OR gate is a logic symbol. Relationship is obtained by this logic expression. Here is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This will get 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Here we will write this as 1, 0. So 1. NOT gate. A NOT gate has just one input and one output. The NOT gate is one whose output is high when the input is low and the output is low when the input is high. Symbol. A and output. Truth table. Logic expression. Input A, output Q, 0, 1, 1, 0. Important questions are: draw the symbol and truth table of following logic gates: NOT, AND NOR. Thank you.